Hello, everyone. Let's take 5 quiet minutes for our bodies and minds. Stand beside your desk or sit tall on your chair. Feet on the floor, hands relaxed. Let's begin. Slowly raise both arms up to the sky. Stretch your fingers. Reach tall like a growing tree. Take a deep breath in and slowly lower your arms down. Let's do that one more time. Arms up, breathe in, and gently down. Lift your shoulders up to your ears and drop them down. Again, lift and drop. Now gently roll your shoulders back and forward. Slowly look to the right and center. Look to the left and center. Move softly. Place your hands on your desk or on your hips. Slowly twist your body to the right. Breathe in and breathe out. Come back to the center. Twist to the left. Slow breath in, slow breath out. Return to the middle. Stand tall like a mountain. Lift one foot and place it near your ankle or calf. Hands together at your chest or by your sides. Look at one quiet spot. Breathe slowly. You are steady and strong. Change sides when you are ready. Place both feet on the floor. Slowly bend forward. Let your arms hang down. Relax your head. Relax your shoulders. Take one deep breath in and a slow breath out. Gently roll back up. Place your hands on your belly. Breathe in through your nose. Feel your belly grow like a balloon. Breathe out slowly through your mouth. The balloon goes down. Let's do this 2 more times. Slow and quiet. Sit or stand very still. Hands on your lap or by your sides. Take one quiet breath. Say silently in your mind, I am calm. I am focused. I am ready to learn. Gently open your eyes. Well done.